Hi all, this is Afzal, and in this video we are going to see how you can convert text to voice. There are many scenarios when we need to write a code to convert your text to voice. Many senior leadership, they have difficulties to read the text, long text. If you can convert them to a voice, it will be great help. Even though if you can convert long text to a summary, it's a really great help, but that is part of AI that I will cover in another video. Let's jump to the code and see how you can do this with Python. With Python, these are very simple. If in other language, definitely it will have difficulties, but in Python this is very simple. Let's jump to the code. I'm using Visual Studio Code for demo. This is a basically code editor and it's helping me to run the code also. Okay, so the very first thing you need to install pyttsxt utility for converting text to voice, and this is the command pip install, and you have to type this. And now let's talk about code, how you can convert text to voice. The very first thing is you need to import which package we have installed, pyttsx3, and then the next line of code is you need to initiate which package we have installed. Okay, and this is a variable, and this is the package of text to speech engine, and we are just initiating. This line is initiated, and the next line is optional, and we have to write engine.set property. This is rate, speed of the speech. Okay, this is optional. Again, the next line of code is again engine.set property volume, and this is the volume variable. Okay, the next line of code is the voice. Again, engine variable get property, this is voice, we are setting up the voice. Okay, the next line is engine.set voice, and we are setting up for male and female. If you set this 1 for female and 0 for male, I will run and show you how the voice is different. Okay, and this is the text, any text you want. If you want to have a dynamic, you can have a dynamic text, pass the parameter, write a function, this kind of coding you can do that. Okay, and this is the final one, engine.say, and this line of code will start speaking, and this line of code is, it's asynchronous, it will run until this line is finished. Okay, now let's run and see. Okay, now we will run the code and see.
The Taj Mahal is a magnificent symbol of love and a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
See, this was in female. Now this line of code was running, so the program was running. As soon as finished, you see this is come out. Now we will change this to 0. Okay, now again we will run.
The Taj Mahal is a magnificent symbol of love and a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Okay, perfect. That's all. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. This will motivate me to create more programming content, more design content, more AI related content. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this really helped to you, please subscribe my channel for upcoming lot of coding video and AI video. Thank you very much. Have a good day and have a good night.